Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Edgar Raphael, and today is 25th of October 2019. We're going to look at market um, weekly close, where we're going to review our analysis that we did on Saturday and see if we're on a good track. Remember, guys, this is not a signal providing service, is educational purpose video. So any trade that you're going to trade or make has to be on your own risk. Now, guys, remember last week we analyzed DXY, and we were so sure that DXY just went to bearishness, temporary, and that was just a temporary correction on the DXY. Now what we see is the DXY has reached this particular support level we think is quite strong. Why? Because you have a massive trend line going upward and a massive horizontal line which hold this as a very firm, strong support level. As per analysis, we wanted to see price coming all the way to 97.23, and then you see a bit of support level holding that price, not going any further down, and we should start to see the price going higher and continuing on its due uptrend. So this trade was particularly just based on patience. Last week we realized, even actually last 2 weeks, we didn't trade much. We're just waiting for that patience. We were just waiting patiently for that setup to appear, and now it started to appear at the end of the week. So support being held, we are very positive on the dollar this week. To start, Euro JPY, while we traded based on Euro JPY, it didn't happen yet. We want to see the price to retrace all the way back to this level right here. This is 118.040. This is where we want to see our buy opportunity coming forward. Otherwise, this wasn't trade that happened. I mean, it wasn't open, because as I said before, that we are patiently waiting for the DXY to finish its correction phase and start to continue its uptrend. So far so good. Nothing much happened with the Euro JPY this week. All right, Euro USD. For USD, we bought it here. Why? Just because of I thought the price would just break through that resistance, make it support level, a bit of retest, and then we should see further price going further high and high. So clearly that isn't the case until now. The price is just breaking through that mini support level and trying to turn bearish. With the current DXY turning bullish, we should expect USD turning bearish. But all in all, I'm just going to hold it and wait to see what's going to happen next. But as I said before, I'm trading based on my risk reward ratio of 2.35. So right now I'm willing to risk 73 pips, and that's not a big deal, to be honest. Yeah. Next is NZD-USD. What we expected for NZD-USD, we want the price to come to this level right here and look for that buy opportunity. This would be almost a 50% Fibonacci retracement. If I draw for you guys there, that's what we analyzed last week, and that hasn't happened yet. Oops. So you can see clearly here is almost 61% retracement, and that's a good area for us to look for that buying opportunity on NZD-USD. But it hasn't happened yet. Probably this will happen next week, so let's see. Aussie dollar USD. I was so interested with this level right here, and I was trying to look for that selling opportunity on the Aussie dollar USD. If you recall this trade, we wanted this to come here and shorted it, and probably we must see a temporary consolidation and maybe a bit of a breakout to this level here. This is a main bearish trend, and we could look for further sell-off all the way down. All in all, fundamentally, Aussie dollar still looks as a sound trade for me, based on interest differentials, so I'm not that worried on that trade. So yeah, I'm still holding this on the sell side, and I hope it's going to play out really cool in the coming week. Next trade is USD JPY. So USD APR, we shorted right here, and we're still running this trade. It's still open trade, hasn't reached to its full sorry for that, guys. Hasn't reached to its full potential, the target area of 199.8 pips. So we're still holding this trade until further notice. Maybe I should decrease. No. Yeah, right there. So all in all, this year trade that is on and active, and let's see what's going to happen in the coming week. Next trade was gold. We shorted gold right there, and we wanted to short this all the way down to 1445. That's why we were looking for a take profit. Unfortunately, the price just broke through that trend line, and now we hit our stop loss, and yeah, it's a bad trade. So this is like a second trade that we lost money on, and this plus USD. No, USD is still on. The next trade, well, this is the most interesting trade that I'll really enjoy this week, and that is WTI. If you recall, WTI, we had all the catalysts for WTI to go further up, and you could clearly see the price start to create that sort of like small trend, bullish trends that could automatically help us to to capture those setups really well and look for any buy opportunities going forward. So we bought it around those areas, and we're looking further upside for the WTI. So next would be USD Tri. That's USD Turkish Lira. We shorted it, and we're still in profit right now, and we're targeting these levels around 5.65801. Next trade is Euro Aussie Dollar. Well, hasn't reached our buy limit, so it's still holding it. I'm still waiting for that price to reach here, and I have a bit of confirmation that we're going to buy Euro Aussie Dollar. Next trade is Euro GBP. That's the trade of the month. Further analysis on Euro GBP will be listed on our trade of the month, so please stay tuned and yeah, wait for that trade to be analyzed. Last but not least is the Bitcoin. Unfortunately, Bitcoin didn't come to our entry level up there, but it broke through this level down here. Otherwise, we're not going to do anything about it. We're just going to wait to see any further setups. That my approach forward. So all in all, guys, that was our weekly review based on our Saturday analysis, and I hope you quite enjoy it. Most of the trades that we open, most of the trades that we analyzed have not opened, and some are still seeing profit. So otherwise, guys, cheers, peace, and have a good day.